Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Market Beast Napoleon Macro. All right, guys, seriously, I think there's something going on in the oil market that I don't know if many people are talking about or if they even see it coming. But let me be the first, or if not the first, someone to tell you that oil is under pressure here in the short term. Now, even though I'm saying oil may move down, inevitably, if it finds resistance at this one level that I'm going to reveal to you right now, it will likely move higher. So my overall tone in the oil market is actually to the upside, with a potential retracement incoming in a very short period of time. Let's get into the details. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome in new subscribers. Let's dive into the charts here. So today's November the 4th, 2021, and the current price of oil is going to be $81.05. It's slightly positive 1.2% for the day. Okay. All right. The instrument is going to be Usoil. Okay. The WTI crude oil is what I'm looking at. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing well. ASMR, interesting analysis. Let's kind of put everything into context here. I've been following oil for some time. Let's put the monthly candles. Well, I've already revealed the level there, $76. But again, just putting everything into context here. I want to show you that oil has been in a very large falling wedge. Kind of looks weird, right? The falling wedge pattern. Finding support, resistance, right? Hang on, pardon me. So up, resistance, support. I think you see it, guys. It's pretty clear to see, right? Resistance, boom, really nice move down, support. So right now, as of recently, it did break out. These are the monthly candles that we're looking at in May 2021. It broke out. And ever since then, it has been moving to the upside. One of the things that I do not like on a breakout, well, in order for me to truly understand an aggressive breakout, when the market breaks out, and in this case, in a falling wedge, let's just use a falling wedge for an example. So you see how the market broke out of that, we've already backed down. You can see like the candles, monthly candles. Whenever I start seeing like red candles on the breakout, if it doesn't like instantly like tear to the upside, then it's not as aggressive as one. It's not as aggressive breakout as one may think, if that makes sense. So it obviously is breaking out right now, right? It's broken out of the descending, falling wedge rather, and it is moving to the upside. The trend is not necessarily overall to the upside, because if we back out, guys, we have oil has been at like $140. Okay, so oil is not in an uptrend. Okay, so with the exception of it kind of going down, right? I'm so technical, right? It's going down. It's been making lower lows. And of course, if you're looking at me on the screen there, it's been going up and it made a new low. So it's basically been making lower lows. Let's just put it this way. It's been making lower lows ever since June 2008. Okay, this highest point here. And it has not made a higher high until as of recently. It did make a higher high August 2018. This little clustered area I just circled at about $73. It did make a new high. So that's a good start. So if it can stay above at least $73, this would be the turning point for oil to start an overall uptrend ever since June 2008. Hopefully that technical verbiage is good. Okay, I'm so technical. Sheesh. All right, so let's pull up the weekly candles. And again, I don't think people see this incoming. Gold is, hopefully I'm not saying gold all the time. Oil is under pressure, I think. Okay, if oil goes down to this level, again, $76, okay, I think it'll just be a small bump in the road for oil. And it just comes down. I'm not sure how fast. I'm not sure if it's actually going to happen, but this is my speculative observation of what to expect here over the next, let's give it 2 to 3 weeks to see if gold is going to actually move down. One thing that I will say is if gold actually closes like this green candle right here, these are daily candles that we're looking at. If gold closes as a green candle, just like that, oh no, it's probably not going to $76. No, we could scratch that out. it's these candles are kind of tricky. Like this green candle next to this red candle, it's kind of hard for me to determine if it's actually going to have an immediate move up. This is sell order clearance. You see the very large wick at that green candle, they're just clearing the sell orders. But I have seen cases where there's been a sell order clearance and then the market immediately moves down. It just needs more time to revisit these levels, because this is, I can assure you, this isn't just like a random green candle. No, these are buy orders, guys. See that green candle? It is a buy order. It's an actual participant, institution, someone or people are hitting that buy button and they are clearing these sell orders just above the price represented at this wick on this daily candle. Okay, so that's my prediction, guys. Ultimately, oil will continue higher and assume the, I guess, short term. Let's call it a short term uptrend ever since the lows, ever since the capitulation when I think it went to zero back in May 2020. It has been walking up the stairs. So when I say that it's not in an uptrend, I'm talking I'm most of the times I'm talking about the macroscopic view. But I guess one may challenge that yes, it is in an uptrend ever since May 2020, like May-ish. Yeah, like April, May 2020. Yes, it is in an uptrend. It's been making higher highs and higher lows. So yes, I do agree with the short-term uptrend. But overall, it's sporadic. It's not like it's not trending anything. It's trending down ever since June 2008. Okay. So let's see what gold is gonna. Sorry, guys. Oil is going to do. Oil. All right, so yeah, $76. All right, so incoming. But the one thing that you look for, guys, look for that green daily candle. We have about 6 hours and 47 minutes to close this active green candle. If it closes green, then yeah, I'm not sure at that point. But if it closes red, then yeah, it will likely move down to closer to $76. Okay, so I guess that's my prediction. With certain requirements that must take place, again, the daily candles. So we'll see in less than 7 hours how this daily candle closes to see if it's going to move lower. All right, so hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. I know a lot of you understand. It's just some, they take the thumbnail and they just say, oh, you got it, that didn't age well. All right, so that's my prediction with specific information to look for in the chart. That's the end of the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd truly appreciate it. Also, if you're new, we explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. Kindly subscribe to the bell, and we'll send that out to you guys momentarily. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, always have a plan before you enter the market. Have a plan, all right? So we'll talk soon, and bye for now.